In this adventure vlog, I get invited to the Bingemans Big Splash summer launch event to celebrate the opening of their brand new water slide, Typhoon Twister. I also get to check out the rest of their water park offerings and officially celebrate the start of the summer season. All of that and more is coming up in today's video. Good day everyone and welcome to Adventures with Parker. Today we are here at Bingemans Big Splash, which is the water park portion here at Bingemans. And we are here because we were actually invited out for a VIP event for the grand opening of their brand new water slide, Typhoon Twister. This is a slide complex featuring 4 different body slides, all of them unique and fun in their own way. I'm so excited to try them out. And then of course we also get the rest of the night to check out the rest of the water parks, all of the classic water slides that we've done before, the wave pool, all that good stuff. So yeah, it should be a really fun day. Super excited to check everything out. So without any further ado, let the adventures begin. Okay, so obviously the first thing I had to do today was Typhoon Twister, which is actually a slide complex featuring 4 different water slides, and each one kind of offers something a little bit different, a little bit unique, so it is worth doing all 4. The first 2 that I tried were the green ones, so those are actually racing slides. Now all of these are body slides, by the way. You don't do an inner tube on these. But yeah, started with the green ones. So me and my friend Erik, we raced side by side, and those two are pretty cool because you kind of intertwine between the other 2 slides, but those 2 always stay side by side. So there's parts that are enclosed, parts where it's a little more open and you can look over and see whether you're ahead or whether you're behind. So yeah, both of those super fun, great way to start out. The blue one is the one I did next. Now, that one is probably the craziest of the 4. I got a lot of speed to it, so much that I went all the way to the end of the run out lane there. I've never had that on a water slide where I actually, like, my thighs touched the step where you get out, so that was great. But the cool thing about that one is that it features these saucer bits. Now, I've done slides with saucers before, but most of those ones have been on, actually all of them have been on tube slides. So this is the first time I've done a saucer on a body slide, and I think that's a relatively new development. That's something that ProSlide does, and I think there's only a handful of water slides in the world currently that do that. So that was really neat to experience. Honestly, they don't do that much in terms of the experience. It's just kind of an open area where you do a tight turn, You do get some good forces though, so that's always good. Okay, and then the last one of the 4 that I literally just came off of was this yellow one. And that one might actually be my favorite. It's surprisingly intense. You got some really tight helices there. And there's some really cool sections where there's like these star cutouts in the tube. So you get some light leaking in. It just creates this really cool visual effect. But no, the intensity on that one was quite surprising. So I quite like that. All 4 of them are really good in their own right. They really complement the park really well. Like I said, they each offer something a little bit different. They're going to be appealing to people with different tastes in their water slides. So overall, I think this is a really solid addition for Bingemans. So yeah, great way to start out the night. Here he goes, master of this game. Yes! Oh. See, at least they're hitting the target. There we go. 2 out of 4, that's not bad.
And that is going to do it for my day at Bingemans Big Splash. Although the night was a little chilly, I had an absolute blast checking out Typhoon Twister and all of the other Big Splash water slides. I want to give Bingemans a huge thank you for inviting me out. I've always had a bit of a soft spot for this place, especially since I used to come here with my mom every couple of years when I was growing up. So I was just tickled pink when I received the media invite from them. I've also just been wanting to do more media stuff with local attractions in general, so again, it was just so great, and I really appreciate them for reaching out. They also gave us a $30 food voucher to use when we were there, which was awesome, and Mike and I used that to get ourselves a large pizza that we absolutely devoured before we could even show it on camera. So there was a pizza, just yeah, it didn't last very long. But yeah, we had a fantastic night overall. There were a few bugs here and there, but that's to be expected on the first day of the season for any park that you go to, so there's really nothing major to talk about there. The only real issue that we had was actually getting checked in. They originally put the influencers in the same line as the season's past people, who were taking a little bit longer than usual to get checked in because they all needed to get their photos taken. So they tried to switch us to this other line, but by that point Mike and I somehow ended up at the back, and we probably waited longer than we would have if we had just stayed put. But when all was said and done, it really wouldn't have been that big of an issue, except for the fact that we missed the ribbon cutting ceremony. They told us that they were going to delay it to give everyone a chance to get checked in and to get down there, but I guess they decided to go ahead with the original time. But thankfully my buddy Erik was there and he was able to capture some footage, so I really appreciate him sharing that with me. So yeah, it's thanks to him that I was able to put that into the video. I also got to hang out with Erik for the rest of the night, which was awesome. If you're not following him already, go check him out on Twitter. He's at KSlide Studios, and he does a lot of content for Coaster 101 as well, so go check that out on all of their platforms. As for me, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more adventures from theme parks, attractions, and beyond, then you probably want to do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. As always, shout out to my Patreon subscribers for going above and beyond in supporting my channel, and if you'd like to support me for as little as $2 a month in exchange for some sweet perks and bonus content, head on over to patreon.com/advparker to learn about all of the different tiers that I have available. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, the adventures are calling. Bye!
And then of course we get to enjoy the rest of our night riding on all of the classic. How am I wording this?